how to use this. Very important. I thought I'd make this because I think that is something that will really benefit you guys if you know how to use it. So during these modules, basically you're going to see everything kind of split up. Everything is split up into sections. So you guys can see charms, content creation. You see charms, talk. All these are different sections. And in these sections are different lessons that you have in there. And that's how I've chosen to divide it up. But each month there'll be new parts added to each section, and sometimes there'll be even completely new sections because I wanted to use a lot of it based off of you guys' feedback that you guys give me. So to use this, understand that there's a lot of information coming. They're all developed, they're all done in different sections. But on top of that, once you watch one section, I highly advise that you kind of implement something on it and then go back and rewatch it, because there's something about once you hear something that's brand new and then you do it, and then you come back and watch the same video, that all of a sudden you see a whole different side deeper into it. It's almost like when you watch a movie as a kid and then you watch it back later on as you're an adult, you see parts that you hadn't even seen before. So that's one thing I think that I would highly recommend for that. And go at your own pace. Go at your own pace. As you go about this and see this, you're going to realize that some things you maybe knew a little bit, but as I go more in depth using different analogies, that you're like, oh my gosh, I had no idea about that. And don't feel like you have to rush on to the next course. They're not going anywhere. So once that new one comes up for the next month, it's going to be there. So you can go back through, you can watch it. Eventually, you're going to see that this is going to evolve. There's going to be live sessions coming on. I will put this in the group. I will have, I believe, your emails and everything. So I'll send you guys out when the next live session is. I'll send you invitations for stuff like that as this evolves. But definitely use this, taking it at your own pace. Don't feel forced or rushed that you got to get this done, get this done. Get what you need, take your time, come back, there'll be more. And it's one thing that I'm really excited about because I want to take my time with this, making this course so that every piece of content, when I'm waking up and I'm writing things down, like literally my mastermind, you guys are on my mind. And I really want to make sure that I'm curating a lot of the content into bite-sized pieces that you guys can use and that you guys have expressed to me that are very important for you. A lot of people talked about travel, so this might even be 1 month. There will be extra travel section on there, but I'm hoping to build this up with so much information, so much value, that not even value because that's wrong, but so many paradigm breakers that break the way you look at things and realize that you had everything you need in you all along. So I'm hoping that throughout each section, you're learning something way beyond anything you thought you would be able to. And at the same time, I just want to say a big thank you for being here. I will thank you guys a lot because gratitude is one thing that keeps me powered. It's like my fuel. And on that note, remember, use this at your own pace. Take notes. Feel free to write me, contact me. There's another video on here how you can contact me. One-on-ones as well are available for you guys, and one-on-ones at a discounted rate because normally one-on-ones is a little bit more expensive, but for you guys here, it's a little bit different how it works. That's the next section, or the couple sections down in the same section. And yeah, that's kind of it. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.